All are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Today I'd like to discuss with you on a very important topic of English second part, that is narration. It's for class 8, not only for class 8, for also the upper classes. Okay, thank you. Let's come and enjoy today's class. So students, welcome to today's class. I am Mohammad Mizwal Islam, senior teacher in English. You know me well. Today's topic is narration. Narration is not only for class 8, but also it is for 9, 10, and for the upper class also. What is narration? You know, narration is speech. In Bangla we say ukti. Change of narration is ukti purivartan. To describe the speech of a speaker to another person, that is called narration. You know, narration is two kinds: direct narration and another is indirect narration. So it's here. I want to give some example of direct narration and indirect narration. Here you see direct narration. Mintu said to me, I play football. So here you see, Mintu said, I play football. This line is under a quotation. That is, this is Mintu's direct speech. So it is called direct narration. And it is indirect narration because Mintu told me that he played football. That Mintu told me, and I am telling this sentence to another person. So indirectly I am telling about Mintu's speech. So it is called indirect narration. So here the first sentence is described directly, and we see the next sentence is described indirectly. So this is called direct and indirect narration we get here. Look at this screen here, how we will change narration from direct to indirect. So before changing narration, we have to at first find out the names of the different parts of narration. That is direct narration and indirect narration. We see here a sentence, Reza said to me, I play football. From this line, we have to learn which words are useful to change our narration. So look here, we need these types of words. Reza, this is subject. Said to me, this said is reporting verb and me is object here. And here another speech we see here, I play football, it is under quotation and it is the reported speech. So Reza said to me, I play football. Here we see Reza is subject, said is verb, reporting verb, and me is object. Look here, Reza, reporter, speaker, or subject. And said, here you see reporting verb. Me, listener, or you can say object. And inverted comma, you know, I play football. It is under inverted comma, so it is reported speech. So from this line, we have learned some important things, and we need these places, need these words, and we have to change these words. Okay, according to these words, according to sentence, we have to change narration. So we have to know it again well. Said is verb. In Bangla, bola. Reza bollo amake. Here we can ask question, who said? Who said? Reza said. So Reza is subject. Kake bollo? Amake bollo. So amake, me is object. That is in Bangla kormokarok. Subject kortikarok. Me object kormokarok. So we have to know this. In the next screen, we see rules of changing narration. We learn how we can change narration. To change narration, we have to know about three things: person change, tense change, and sentence change. So, to change narration, if we want to change narration or speech, then we have to change three things, three places of a sentence. Person change, we have to change person, we have to change tense, and we have to change sentence. The key ways of changing a speech. There are three changes in narration we see. In the previous screen we see here person change, tense change and sentence change. Next screen, according to that change, first change is reporting verb and inverted comma. It is according to sentence. Look here. He said to me, comma, inverted comma, I have done my duty. From this sentence, here we see reporting verb is said and inverted comma here you see according to sentence. This is reported speech, and we know there are 5 kinds of sentence. This sentence is assertive sentence. I have done my duty. This sentence is assertive sentence. So according to sentence, we have to change this place, said to and comma. Sentence is here inverted comma and inverted comma, and we have to change reporting verb and comma. Again I repeat, I have done my duty. This is a sentence. According to this sentence, we have to change here, said to and comma, inverted comma. Second change, tense of reported speech according to the tense of reporting verb. Tense of reported speech here is reported speech. You know, I have done my duty. This is the reported speech, and here have done is our verb, and we have to change this have done according to the tense of reporting verb. Here is reporting verb, said is reporting verb, and we have to change according to this verb. If this verb is present tense, in present tense or future tense, we will not change this verb. If it is in present tense, say or says or shall say or will say, we will not change these verbs, these tense. We know what is tense. Tense is the happening time of verbs. ভার্বের কাজ করার সময় হলো tense. So, if it is present tense or future tense, we must not change this tense. But if it is past tense, here say it is past tense, so we have to change this have done. We have to change this tense. We have to change these verbs. We have to make them in past tense. We have to change them in past tense because it is said. Here the verb is said. Okay, I think it is clear to you. From the next screen, we have seen here, we can see sentence change. Change of reporting verb and inverted comma. So, sentence, we know, sentences are 5 kinds: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. Here we get 5 kinds of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory sentence. And we have to change the reporting verb according to these sentences. If it is assertive sentence, instead of reporting verb said, we have to use tell, say or say, tell or told. And instead of inverted comma, we have to write that. Again, if I have put here inverted comma, that is reported speech, the sentence of reported speech, that sentence, if it is assertive sentence, then we will use tell or told instead of said. We will use tell or told instead of say or said. And instead of inverted comma, we must put that. We will use that. Interrogative sentence, if the sentence is in interrogative form, then instead of reporting verb said, we will use ask or asked. If it is said, we will use ask. If it is said, then we will use asked. And instead of inverted comma, we must use WS question or if. If it is yes no question, if this interrogative sentence is yes no question, then we will use if. If there is WS question, then we will use WS question words. And it is instead of inverted comma. If it is imperative sentence, then instead of say or said, we will use order, command, advise, request or forbid. And instead of inverted comma, we have to use to or not to. Optative sentence, if the sentence is in optative sentence, optative form, then instead of reporting verb say or said, we must use wish, wished, pray, prayed. And instead of inverted comma, we have to use that. And for exclamatory sentence, we have to use exclaimed with joy, sorrow, wonder, and instead of inverted comma, we have to use that. So we will repeat it in the next classes also. Today just for the primary that is, it is our initial stage. So we will learn it more in the next classes. Tenses, how we can change tenses. If it is under inverted comma, so the tense of the sentence is present indefinite, it will be changed into past. We have to change it into past indefinite tense. If the sentence is present continuous, then we have to change it past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. But if it is past indefinite, then we will have to change it into past perfect. Like present perfect into past perfect. Past indefinite also we have to change it into past perfect. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. And past perfect, it will remain unchanged. Past perfect continuous, it will also remain unchanged. Person change. So our today's mainly we want to discuss about person change today, and so I want to show this person change clearly. I want to make you clear about our today's person change. Person change, we know person is three kinds. First person, I, we, me, us, our, my, mine. Second person, you, your. Third person, he, she, it, they, them, their, his, her, etc. What you see in your eyes, except first person or second person, everything is under third person, you know it well. So here is person, which is of three kinds, we get it here. We can arrange them in this way now. We can arrange them as follows. Just like here they are first person, these are second person, and these are third person. Again, I, we, me, us, our, my, mine. I, we, me, us, our, my, mine. They are first person. And you, your, they are second person. And he, she, they, him, her, these are also third person. But why do I write in this way? I, ami, you, tumi, he, she, she. Ami, tumi, she. You have to learn in this way. Ami, tumi, she. Amra, tumra, tara. That is because there is some confusion about you. Because here you see you, ami, tumi, she. We, there is also you. We, amra, tumra, tara. But here is you. You means here tumra. Here you is tumake. Here you is tumaderke. As amaderke, tumaderke, taderke. So in this way, it makes some confusion. For that reason, you have to learn the meaning of you. Without thinking in Bangla, you cannot change it sometimes. So it may create some confusion, and so you have to learn them well. So I, ami, you, tumi, she, he. Here, the I, its second person is you, and I, its third person is he. He, it's in third person. If you are asked what is the first person of he, you have to say I. What is the second person of he? You. You here is tumi. The first person of you is I. The third person of you is he. In this way you have to learn the chart. This chart you have to learn it with Bengali meaning. Okay? We, amra, you, tumra, tara. The second person is tumra. Tumra, the first person of tumra is amra. Amra in English, we. You have to think in this way. Otherwise you can't make it clear. You have to clear about the meaning of you. Otherwise you can't write correctly. You can change the person correctly. Okay? So here is the main changing form of person. How we will change person? in a speech, in the narration, first person. First person I, you know, I, we, me, us, and something like that. First person according to the person of subject. First person must be changed according to the person of subject. Second person, you, your. They will be changed according to the person of object. And third person, it will remain unchanged. It will not change. It is not changeable. Okay? Look here. He said to me, I am going to your house. He said to me, I am going to your house. Here, first person, according to the person of subject. Here is first person. You have to change here. You cannot change this. This is reporting verb, this is subject he, and me is object. You cannot change their person. Not he, not me, you cannot change them. You have to change here. Under the inverted comma, reported speech. It is reported speech, and you have to change the person of reported speech. Not of the subject of reporting verb. You cannot change them. You have to change here. I, your second person, house, third person. So now, according to our rules, we can practice. I is first person, it will be changed according to the person of subject. According to the person of subject, he is subject here. You, your is second person, you have to change second person according to the person of object. Here me is object. So we have to change according to the person of object. Me is first person, so we have to change it into first person. And house is third person, so house will not be changed, it will remain unchanged. So students, in this screen we can see some example how we can change person. So you have to be very much attentive to this screen. Today we will learn how to change person here. He said to me, I am going to your house to see your father. He said to me, I am going to your house to see your father. This is reported speech, and here is some persons. I is a person, your is second person, house is third person. Here your is second person also, father is third person. We have to change them. I repeat, we cannot change this. He third person, me first person, we cannot change them. They are the owner of these persons. They are Malik Esho personer. They will not be changed. We have to change them. I, your, house, your, father, these are the persons. So now, we'll try according to our rules. What's our rules? Ki chilo amader rules? First person, according to the person of subject. So come to the first person. I is the first person. So I will be changed according to the person of subject. Here he is subject. He is third person. So come here again. I is in first person, and ask I to change into third person. Again, I is first person, so go to the subject. Subject is third person, come to I. Change him into third person. So the third person of I is he, we know. Here, the third person of I, you, he. The third person of I is he. I think you can understand. So, next, your. Your is second person. So, second person must be, what is the rules? Second person. Second person according to the person of object. So, come to object. Your is second person, so you have to go to object. Object is me, me is in first person. So, come here and then change your into first person. Your means tumar. Your means tumar. Your, tumar. First person is my. So, my. We have to write here, my. Then comes the house. House is in third person, so it will remain unchanged. We cannot change house. To see your is again second person. So here is, we have changed your into my. So you have to write also my. That is, your is second person, go to object. Object, me is first person, come here. We have to change this your into first person. And the first person of your is my. So you have to write my. Then father. Father will remain unchanged because it is in the third person. Okay, I think you can understand. Now, I said to him, you do not like me as I disturb you always. Look here, this is reported speech. You do not like me as I disturb you always. So, again, you is first person, you is second person. Second person will go to object. Him is object. Object is in third person. So come to you again, then ask him to change into third person. So the third person of you is he. You can go to the chart. The third person of you is he. You can see here. So again, come here. So you have to write he. Me is first person. First person must go be changed according to the subject. Subject is also I is also first person. So you cannot change them. You have to write here me. Again I is first person. First person must go to subject. Subject is also here first person. So it will remain unchanged. Next you is second person. Second person goes to object. Here object is third person. Then come here. Then turn this you into third person. How can I? According to the chart, you তোমাকে, as I disturb you always, যেহেতু আমি disturb করি তোমাকে সবসময়, তোমাকে, the third person of তোমাকে, আমাকে, তোমাকে, তাকে, তাকে English him. So we have to put here him. Okay, I think could understand. You are able to understand these examples. Now here is another example for you. You said to me, I have completed your work. Again, you said to me, I have completed your work. Look at this chart. This is, I have completed your work. This is reported speech. And from this reported speech, we know that I is subject. I is in first person. As I is in first person will goes to subject. Subject is second person. Come here again to I. So we have to change it into second person. As you is in second person. So the second person of I is you, according to our chart, the rules. So your, here you see your is second person, then go to object. Object is in first person, come here. Turn this your into first person. Your tumar. Tumar first person is amar English, my. So we have to write my. Work is in third person, so it will remain unchanged. Work. In this way we will change our person. Our today's class is only for person. Okay, in our next class we'll try to make you understand. I'll come with the next changes, the two other changes. Okay, students, so I'm giving you some homework. These are some homeworks for you. You will only change the person of these speeches. Here are some 4 speeches for you. You will change only their person. Okay, students, thank you for today. We have other classes of narration, and I think you will enjoy the class again. And you have to repeat this class again and again. You will watch this video, and whenever you watch the video, you will turn your mobile into horizontally. Then you can see it clearly. I'm trying my best to make the screen clear for you. So I have to make some changes also for this reason. Okay, thank you all, and we'll meet in our next classes. Thank you everyone.
Stop that.